Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York, and I was driving down the main highway here, and I couldn't believe what I just seen. So guys, check this out. 1955 Chevy from New Jersey. This is George Chevrolet in Freehold. Two-door post. Car's an automatic. Car is for sale. Pretty awesome. Love the color. If you guys can see in there, it's on the main highway, as you can see. I'm going to try to buy this car here. The owner lives in the house over there. Usually has some classic cars, but it's probably one of his cars. Interior looks nice. Needs a headliner. Really awesome. Car is registered and insured. I guess it's the 210. Has the chrome on it. Underneath looks good. Original bias ply tires and hubcaps. Car is awesome. So guys, like and share my videos. Check out my other 55 Chevys online on this channel. Really love the support. Almost at 1,800 subscribers. Just driving around Long Island trying to find some cars. Just ran into this 55 Chevy. Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Have a great day. Please comment down below. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Show me some support. Have a great day.